Welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'll show you how to fix shared album not showing on iPhone. And if for that, try out restarting your mobile phone, or if still that didn't help you out, you can try this common fix. If still that didn't help you out, try out going on settings and then tap on your name and then scroll a bit till you see iCloud. Tap there and go on photos, and here you can see so many options. And what you need to do is scroll a bit and tap on this shared library and turn it off, and after 10 seconds try turning it on, and that should help you out. If that still didn't help you out, go and reset your mobile phone, and that should help you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.